Hello and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, you will find out how to register an account with HelpWire. Navigate to the HelpWire.app and press the registration button on the main page. Either sign up with your Google account or use email and password. Make sure that your password is strong and secure and suits the listed requirements. Press Continue to navigate to the onboarding process. On the right, you may see how your profile will look like to the remote clients you support. Specify your name and, optionally, upload a photo or avatar. Next, enter your company name and upload its logo. If you skip this step, your remote clients will see HelpWire for the company name and logo. You may change this later in the account settings. Download the HelpWire Operator app for your platform on the final onboarding step. You may skip it and do this later. In your newly registered HelpWire web account, navigate to Demo Client to start the tutorial. Follow the described steps to learn how to establish your first remote connection. That's it. Your remote connection is established. Remove the demo client on its Client Info tab to complete the tutorial. Make sure to check other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to dive deep into product functionality. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information.